Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Dabi ameka cho se e wa kodo ne jesa bi de obodi de beto nchen. Nyame amenim de jesa bi de pani ni be yefom. E bebu nipa. Yem popo ye ni kasa nipa ho. Be kan asem se ne simite pepepe. Ena benada. Me de akwasi ensia. Asem de kabre na edresu. So yem se abra mampani mahama enya Ghana banwa kase sabedi subiade ba ko otu wana mo ese opa bayoku awodro ne ahwehwe various sectors of my Ghana ko betimi afa so betimi a shape ne ye amana gina ne na so pa na yeye edisua ho de sese ne mprempren komo aye di ya enu amampani na kase ne monyam ko ta kire ebie ano e ne friend the National Economic Dialogue uchwetu ano friend net Asem penfo enhia na ya ndwendwen kwan ya betimi afa so a ya bechiche ye man sikasem ne ye man kan kwam na timi awie peyo eye paade amaye owie na issue ko nipa ese yesi ne opaade akokotoko no ye gya na bro eno amampedi Muhammad nsemebre tudwa e odwumede na se I think okasa kwan ya betimi afa so a saa nkomodie betimi a shape ye man no for the next 4 years. Do what you say yes 4 years no enye enough to cater for some of the challenges now so my year go through in the year. But I believe say yes start to be being so so e was so. Quickly check Mampani John Dramani Mahama Nra abra okasa the National Economic Dialogue Jumedi Asia e course Accra International Conference Center. As what the two journey be any.
And welcome you to this National Economic Dialogue. This gathering is more than just a symbolic exercise or the fulfillment of a campaign promise. It is a decisive step in our collective responsibility to reset Ghana's economy, restore confidence, and build the prosperous future we all envision. Today we are here to begin the process of engaging in honest, solution-driven discussions about the challenges we face and the opportunities before us. Our nation stands at a pivotal moment, and the choices we make now will determine the trajectory of our economy for generations to come. As President, I have the honor of leading the conversation on the theme, Resetting Ghana, Building the Economy We Want Together. This theme reflects our shared commitment to creating an economy that is resilient, inclusive, and built on sustainable growth. It is an invitation to all stakeholders to contribute their expertise, ideas, and dedication to this national effort. Ghana is at a critical crossroads in its economic development. The challenges before us are stark, and the economic distress we face are undeniable. We are not here merely to recount our struggles, nor are we here to resign ourselves to economic stagnation. We are here to seek solutions.
Okay, so let's go by the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I see we are not here to recount our struggles, but to make progress. With all due respect, Mr. President, this National Economic Dialogue, from day one, you have say NDC for Asem, right from opposition, and I'm a say, Sebi ehu yama ye asomai. Emphasis will be any so. This National Economic Dialogue, emphasis will be any so. That time I made first slide on National Development Planning Commission. A report was published in September 2017. Now, but what the shard here. The ATM made sure said the National Economic Dialogue na yen say no emphasis be any so no. Maybe we are what person tears no better say. We a reporter National Development Planning Commission and a long-term National Development Plan of Ghana. Now National Development Planning Commission Ghana mamra and our body esi wonum. Ese omuntu aban ene aban yumakuo awodro efo say Emma Penny, say Speaker of Parliament, say Chief Justice Crap or Mofutu Krana, or Metimi Diamomo. So, Madame Yenano. Now, no say, be say, what Nasa so a dream or minor echo and kind. Say, be at the next be a best at 10 years, the next be at 3 years, the next 2 years. Say, near Tazisha Ghana, Ghana bet me you pay your Ediame, a Juma National Development Planning Commission, Edema Ghana, no. Eti na mo no ka say adwuma fo no mo a wo mo asede nse wo ba dwen ade am man na wo dwen a enyo mo kwa na adwen wo ye consultation se na ne ye national economic development planning hu o ye consultation e bring obia on board and obi also sefata say di komo bia no o me di komo to put up a full report on how a Ghana economy met me agina na so ye pa. Enye ne na National Development Planning Commission eba ye nyene o mabo adwuma abesi enne se maka ye wo adwuma fu wa bosumesu a ye te aban sika ade twa omuka hwe adwuma ba ko mo ye on publish report to September 2017 na a long-term National Development Plan of Ghana from 2018 to 2057 it will adwen how a Ghana should be. Akwe betimi afa so ekwa kodu pempeso pese kodru by 2057 o man ni nyina de ato amaye hwempanifo mo consult omo abro mo put up this long term report together but on the next slide. Okay, it when impanifo a omo consult omo data omo consult some panifo we nyina e otie President John Dramani Mahama putting up this report omo consult on 7 July 2015. Ex-President J.J. Rawlings, consulted on 8 July 2015. Ex-President John Ajekum Kufuor, consulted on 8 July 2015. President-elect Nana Akufo-Addo, 6 January 2017. Speaker of Parliament Honorable Edward Do Ejawo, 9 July 2015. Chief Justice Georgina Theodora Wood, 9 July 2015. CPP PNC GCPP Omunyina 15 16 16 16 JH Mensah former chairman NDPC on 17 July 2015 MPP NDC MPP consulted on 22nd and consulting NDC on 24th and a parliament on 28 PPP on 28 and a council of state on 28 me pacho me okay list of some of the key groups aside some penfo we nyina no yes some various groups are omsa no mudi nkomo putting up this because reporting the reporter e che ko e betimi afa so a ye betu pon asoman ye sika se betimi agina na so e betimi awie peyo e ti hwenkrofo so a omsa invite omo political party representatives commissioners of NDPC representatives of market and other similar associations ye ma me no wo dwam ye ma me no ti dwam NDPC ASR report we consult you. Fishermen's associations, farmers representatives, district planning officials and DCs, traditional rulers na nama hemfo. Apofo, Ekuafo, omo consult you putting up this report together. This report no a report as a Ghana this one. And you better do pen so ye nyina beka sampa ye man afedie. Ye osem punto ne kanko ebem. Kai, Mrs. report we ye consulting my penny Mahama, NDC, MPP, any penny for drum. Now, as of for Elko, a woman, Nip, young man said, you almost edit them, your consortium, additional force, your consortium, and a Mabrucos, your consortium. It is our report way, any national development, economic dialogue, no. Or more basically, ye consortium of my a dialogue, no. Ubenya a family waha. Sao from Okono, a be wahadum. One more national economic dialogue, I could discuss, no. Send the pie bobo, cry bobo suway, a moha. Now, my mature the power or sign, Sao report tree, and the power, ye. That's a part of the next slide. Let me call the next one. Ma'am, call the next one. Call the next one. Call another one. Now make sure nipa penny or sign. Sakata. Okay, you quite about you call last one. ya the next one no afi me chiro Dr. Nimoy Thompson and the science akrata we on a penny order NDPC ano President John Dramani Mahama ba ye nimdie ni suehunu yi a Dr. Wonti wa man so say in charge of SDGs e wo UN eto man no eka ene epe eka bo me sisa economic dialogue ye ko so e kabo and now ye ko senche ye can the same thing but now the people feel say bio amanyo sem na bi obi eye ye wie senche for the ko ye ko IMF but in koma ye ko ni senche no na NDPC a capture o en koma ne ko di ye e wo senche no na NDPC ye abanya dwumakuo yo me the two man penifo e wo man economy no ma capture dada me say Ghana be ni wa NDPC in your whole report when it comes to our economic growth. So the question is, when we have NDPC, you want the broader base to consult everybody who needs to be consulted in building our economy. Why do we then need a national economic dialogue? For what? Yede. Me say NDPC no emrata omachi o. Emrata NDPC echi. Onu kwa futu kama penisi wonfa. Na Professor Gache. Ene wo mna keka wa futu. Mu emrata wachi. Etibiti se man penima ma eka say. He will see through all the proposals that will come out. Then I ask my sister man penny. NDPC report na eche how we can grow no what see through ana. What see through? If you pay NDPC you no. Why do we keep paying people when omofu to yemfa nyadwuma? They spend time doing consultations, from consortium, in putting up this long-term report together. Man, peer report not to be. And you see, yes, I'm repeating the same thing on again. And yaka, I can't hear about me. It is Mama Bando be catch say, a Bible from Boka, or be see, Nasa repeating a cacona Baba Maya, not your koyana see a buyer. Minimum the two end this in penny for this economic dialogue. But see me from day one, I'm kese ever so be any so. Ebi na me de achro no. Ebi na me po de achro no. Wono motena dem. Eti amafo anu asem. Ye de omofu to be adwuma. Etwo mo tisi abonte tisi dwom to verify. Say asem a maami yo free kantamanto. Maami yo free kejeti abeka kire me asusuan pa se sa nete no. O se ne report ye yempe. Ba ne obetena dem atena air condition mu. Na kwesi se be bon kro de ache no. Ono report de be se so man no. Are we serious? Are we serious as a country? Why do we keep repeating the same mistakes, sir? A course your mind is a biasa. President Mama, why do we keep repeating the same mistake? This NDC report captured everybody, even President John Dramani Mahama. And I'm the chomo date to come and penny Mama honum. Ekoji na dwenchire. Now reporter wa dwenchire nkwa no so mfa nya adwuma. Bampani. Reporter wa dwenchire wo mo. Wo so mfa nya adwuma. Na wa dwenchire kan na be ya adwuma. A report that captured won so siye. Sounds ohunu Ghana. How e betimi afa so shape no. Wo se sa report mo mpe. Ba reporter obi adwenchire ba wo de kan na be ya adwuma na. Ya boga na kwa. e kan ye bo me say we abai and this nim wa da ya pa no kre da bia me catch ya pa no kre ya ye zombie and the political parties echi timsi so pass be sound say the NDP so mo go no mo ye dey and anu afebru bo so me so mo di akatwe o and anu afebru bo so me so ye o mo di akatwe March so mo di akatwe and ye you mo si nchen and ya sa akote kuku efugufo samoni amanfo adwenchi o mo na gidada o. And this report cried and from 2018 to 2057. And I'm saying was short terms in your womb. So, Mr. the Finance Minister, have you taken the pain to go through some of the recommendations by National Development Planning Commission? How to shape Yesi Asem? Debbie. Because ya kasi when ye beye etenuan ye beye sebe mo man nya faso so man bebo ka ya nwe ho ye chiam krofo ka to work for us wo ye adwuma wi a ya so report ye fa nya hwe me say Dr. Nimoy Thompson na me kan say on e sign krata no so ko ye say bia when you no political figure be against NDC cracker, come okay, be was skimming him. But the same person, President Mahama, by ye, one appointment. Because he believes in his capabilities. Papa, you want to actually say no. And you will come with chefs, net the horse, I didn't foot through their bono. And yes, your money will man yo, I come your man no, seek your money more, Kakrani Benyano, yes, say no. You're serious. You're serious, back, say. Me kona Mesre Customs 24. You see, conforming to the sugar and I'm quantanine bagana. Omo fa ye usual borders na betimi a check on se bibia okay no e bi na nam so amanfo kofa edubon ne be pe o memu ne amankora ne ye junkies no tie besre customs and penny for se ya hye so momo ne nya de pa hodum ya se krofo bi sugar e fa kwati kwan ewura Ghana ana mo to na boofo ntino se be Ghana ni so ne ade ane boofo de e ne ye se ne oto agu so yam ye no so na o ye so ye to ne ma no yam ye ni na o na nan ye kofa ba ko ibae na ko me mo frese bia junkies na atesimu no mo nam kwata na so di sugar ewura Ghana no yetimi yo mo free system nim me dey akwasensia because Ghana man tuni away. Let's be patriotic. Let's support President John Dramani Mahama for him to succeed. Let's support him. Let's be patriotic. Tell yourselves, dear metimi ayade abo John Dramani Mahama, amane hihye na ni suade nwatimi awie peyo. Enya nhwehan bibi chia twempani adwense so. Ekoyi abonaba so. Tinyame adno a Ghana man tie mu Thursday, ochiri uko ne Thursday brane ni ufuo. Fa wayowa. Beji ufuo di free unchi ahwe. Emfa chances ya ne ma. Pa yo wato. Yen fo party so eboa a promote Ghana. Afade Ghana aduane. Eti brane nyina ntu ese di ewo ayu abakum. Kutu ayu am sukutem ayu a waje nkrakra nie. Abekatekontonie, abenkwanie, katenkwanie. Adwene su. Enambe na obekaja nambe. Enemre kura ba. Nemra ba kama pa emu ode. Ni ba bi efifiri di free. Ba emu ode pa na no to me na kama pa. Brade ani ufuo. Bedidi. Ye kan odomom. Reverend kwa papa bi. So hu. O salisi ya slam. We are holidays. We are ko be ada. O de kakra bi guza na de aguso. O chere da wofro. Because we should be jam. Asem di kere background.